Hello, it's Angela from Something Beautiful Design, and today I wanted to show you how to edit your Christmas party invitation using Corjl.com. So if you've purchased on Etsy, this will be coming to your email inbox in about 5 to 10 minutes after your purchase. If you're just seeing this on YouTube and are looking for a Christmas party invite to purchase, I will have the link in the description below. One thing I do want to mention about this template is this is designed to be digital. So it's only supposed to be sent by text, by email, or out through social media. It will not print well because of the size. You'll get some blurriness. So this is definitely meant to be digital, just to let you know that. Another thing to let you know is this demo watermark will be removed on your final purchase. This is just here because this is a demo version. And again, that will be gone when you make your purchase. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how to make edits. This is a pretty simple one to edit because the graphics are locked, so you can't really do anything with the black border here or this ornament. It's just going to be, you're going to go in and edit the text to make it your own, save it, and then send it out. So it's very simple to do. Let's get started and show you how to do that. So each little text section is its own section, so you can go in and edit each one individually. So let's click on here. We know that this text is highlighted, and now we can go ahead and change that. How you know the text is highlighted and ready to edit is you're going to see these gray circles around it, and then on the right-hand side, the toolbar is going to change, and you're going to see it populated over here. So let's say we want to change this to, let's see, come to our Christmas party. So we made that change, and once we're done, we're just going to click off of it. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is, let's click on Christmas party. Let's say we want to change the color. You can click on the color here and just make selections that way. Play around with it till you like it. Another thing you can do is if you see this little eyedropper, you can match it to elements in the design. So let's click on the color dropper, and let's say we want to match it to one of these things on the wreaths. We can click here to get a match until we find what we like. And let's say we like that. We're just going to click off of it again, and that change has been made. Another thing you can do with the text is change the size. So let's say we want to make this just a little bit bigger. Right now it's a 40-point font. Let's say we want to just bump it up to 48. I don't think we would do that here because then it's a little too big. But again, you can play around with font sizes. We could make it, let's just go back to the 40-point. And let's say maybe we want to make the 26 match. There you go. And then you're just going to want to go in and put the time of your party, your address, who to RSVP to, and click off of that when you're done. On the left-hand side of the one that you've purchased, you're going to have a couple buttons up here. There's going to be a revert to original. Please avoid doing anything with that unless you want the design to go back to the very basic design template you bought. I know a lot of people accidentally click on that, and that's not great because then you have to start over. So try to avoid that unless you do really want to reset it. There'll be a button here in the middle on your purchased version that will be your save button. So as soon as you've made all your changes, you're going to want to come over here and save it. You can save it as many times as you want, but as soon as you make changes, I always like to go over here and hit save changes. And then there's also going to be a button here on the right where you can download it. You're going to be able to download this as a JPEG, save it onto your computer, and then send it out however you want, through email, through text, out on social media, however you want to invite your guest. So it's very simple to do to get your perfect Christmas party invite and get this out to your friends and family. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me. I'm happy to help. So happy editing. Enjoy your template.